Another daily tip. Here's a fun fact. This is how your snap together floating floor is put together. You don't believe me, do you? Take a look at this. Actually, on a serious note, this is actually pretty satisfying to watch, but I'm actually not joking. Take a look at this. It actually does look like that. Huh, look at that. It looks just like the LVP snap together flooring. Same thickness. And all those keyboard experts say if it was installed right, that would never happen. Just more evidence of floating floors being trash. So my wife often wonders, why on earth did these renovations take so long? This is why. I have a son. This is what we do. And I have another son, just about old enough to start doing this too. I thought I was the only one that did this. To my wife, I promise to always act like a child. Now this video I find super impressive. Look how they just bounce around on those pails like that. I can't do it because I got really bad ankles and I would probably die. And it's also quite helpful that I can reach an 8-foot ceiling. However, I think as a drywaller, I think this skill is actually a requirement. Can you imagine trying to go up and down a ladder like 63 times a minute? No thanks.